Plannerzoidies, and welcome back to another video today on Plannerzoid. So in today's video, I will be doing a plan with me for October because it's coming up, and I don't know, I kind of shifted ideas with my planner, so I'm going to use the time to plan and talk to you guys about that because I have a new planner lineup video that's going to be coming later next month, or yeah, maybe later next month. I don't want to put it off too much because I'm already starting to look into 2025, okay? So yeah, I'm probably going to go ahead and put it out in October, but I wanted to go ahead and make a spread. Really excited about that. This is my mini happy planner, which I haven't shown in a little bit, so I'm like, let me show it. So this is the Notique cover because everyone is always asking, and this is the mini happy planner size. And I think when I went on their website, I think it's called MIDI, like M-I-D-I. If you just look for the description, it'll tell you what size it is because I can't remember all the size names because they're different. Yes, this is for the mini happy planner. It does fit expander disc. I do have a video on my channel. I will link the playlist at the very end of this video. So I will also be switching covers soon. I'm so excited. I can't wait to show y'all that too when I do a setup video. But for today, we're just doing planner spreads. So I'm gonna be doing my first spread for October, and I thought about trying this dashboard layout again. I don't know, I'm gonna try it. It's my least favorite layout, but I think I'm gonna like it. So we're just gonna, I don't know, we're just gonna try. With this, I will be using the stickers from Chic. This is an older sticker book in my collection, so I do need to go shop and restock on stuff. But I love their brand. They're very inclusive when it comes to the stickers, you know, very diverse. I love this brand. They make the cutest dollies too, which I'll be using in my spread. So let's go ahead and get started. So this spread is going to have a lot of browns, black, white, gold, and I even made a bow to go with it. How cute is this? And then, you know, I kind of thought about using paper from this paper pad. I don't know yet. I'm still debating, but this is a cute paper pad. I thought about using it because it kind of matches the colors a little bit, but I don't know yet. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's see where I'm going with this. The thing I hate about dashboard layout, I'm not going to lie, is that I don't know. I feel like it's a very limited layout. And originally I was going to use this for my content creation planner, but I like the size of the mini happy planner as my main planner. So I recently got a skinny mini and I said I was going to just use that instead. Can this fit? Yeah, I think I'm gonna use this sticker. I like this sticker. Ooh. Please fit. Oh, perfect. And then of course I'll cut it down the middle. Now it's gonna cut through the R, but that's okay, that doesn't bother me. And then I know it's covering up a lot of Saturday or Sunday, but usually I'm not doing crazy stuff on those days. What I like to do with the dashboard layout essentially is utilize washi tape as dividers. I think that's a great way to divide. And then also I think it's a great way to, how can I say it? Like, it's good for to-dos. So for example, because I'm thinking about doing this anyway, so you know what? Let me go ahead and do this. So for example, I'm gonna put this reminder sticker, right? And it can go right there. If I can get it on there nicely, right? And then I could take this washi sticker and cut it down, and then that'll be like my points for to-dos. Similar to bullet points, but it's not bullet points. But I like the length of the sticker, so I'm actually thinking about putting it across the page. I think I'm gonna do that. Kind of like how it looks across the page. I didn't get a chance to get it across the whole page. Is it too late to take it off? Okay, try this again. And I think for Monday, I'm gonna use boxes because I really like the color scheme of this book. That's why I'm using it. So I think I'm gonna use a few boxes here. That's the only thing I hate about dashboard layout. I just feel like you don't have enough room to write stuff, but that's okay because I think After having a structured planner for a little bit, I don't know if y'all remembered, I said I need to go back to a structured planner because I kind of fell off of planning. I think I can go back to my free planning pages like I've been doing, you know. So I might do that. I introduced a new color by putting red on here. So now I feel like I gotta start adding red. This is pretty. Yeah, essentially, I was gonna make this my content creation because you can easily put, this is kind of what I did when I did it for a little bit. I put what videos I'm putting out for the week here, and then each day task here. And some days I have a day just for editing, and a day just for filming, and a day just for scheduling posts. Like, because it's a lot of work, you really have to manage your time here. So I'm more so focusing my planning on my content essentially at this point. Because my daily plans, honestly, it ain't that much. It consists of going to work, going to the gym, probably a damn doctor's appointment. I hate those. And then, yeah, household stuff. Like, I really just don't do a lot. My day is mostly catered to content. So I work on content every single day. I don't want to do too much red. That wasn't the plan. Oh, you know what? Before I forget, I'm going to add a dolly. So I want to add a doll. So this page. And you know what? I kind of like how she looking right here. She looks cute. Oh, what happened to her heel? Oh my God, I forgot to tear off her heel. The sticker tore. That's okay. Because what I'm probably going to do is take her heel off. Give me some tweezers, and we're gonna still attach it on. Yes, we are. Hold on, let me adjust it. We need to go to the edge. I think I got it. Well, sorta. I'm trying to see, do I want to add another doll, but I don't know yet because I really don't have a lot of room here. I like her outfit. This is a pretty outfit. I hope if I can get it out the sticker book home. I think sometimes I'm a little too rough for ripping out stickers. I gotta be careful. Isn't this pretty? This is something I would totally wear. Both of these outfits is something I will wear. I think I'm gonna put her here. She looks so cute. I'm gonna have to probably hole punch a little through her, but that's okay. And I kind of like these little, oh my God, I tore another sticker. What am I doing? Let me be careful. I like this, but I don't know if I love it. It's that dashboard layout. It gets me every time. But I still want to try it. I do. I kind of like this Be Bold. I'm going to put this at the top. We can make it my little affirmation for the week or something, you know? And I actually like these stickers with the lines on it too. I love stickers with lines on it because I write crooked. I'm going to be honest. I'm a horrible, writer. So that's good. Actually, I kind of like these gold foiling to-dos because this sticker has introduced a lot of other stuff. Now it's introduced another color because I plan to do just browns. And then it also it brings in foil too. So it brings in some other elements that I can now add to the spread, such as the color red and foil. I was just gonna do brown and be okay with that, but that's what I get. I'm trying to see where I want to put this one because I kind of want to put it here. Oh, actually I can. I kind of like how I covered that because you can still tell it's Tuesday since that's the abbreviation for Tuesday. I might do that then. I'm gonna have to cover some of that up. Ooh, I like this one. I think I'm gonna put it more so here because I need to have room to write here. I like this too. Oh. How is this looking so far, y'all? This is cute. Definitely not something I normally do, but that's why I like using Capital Chic because I feel like it's different than what I normally do. I don't want to cover to do, but you know what? We can go ahead and put that here because I don't know what I'm gonna write there this time anyway. You could put a lot of things here. You could put daily gratitude, your daily highlights, videos, or high to-dos, you know, top to-dos. I said high to-dos, top to-dos. It's just a lot you could put there. But I've seen a lot of people decorate it too, you know, so there's that, y'all. And you know what? Because I see these, I think this would be awesome. I might put a couple of these here. So we could just kind of stick this here. Some of these stickers are gonna be just to look cute because I like layering stickers, but most of them are going to be written on and used. And I don't really pay attention to my water intake because I keep up with my water intake, but for some reason, I don't know why I want to add it on there. So I'm gonna add it on there. Ooh, what a cute hat. Just kind of put it. Yeah, see, now I think we can start adding like little embellishments. I don't know yet. I'm gonna kind of try to start, yeah, hopefully. Okay. Yeah, this is kind of an abstract spread a little bit. And I kind of want to use these too. This is cute. Yeah, there we go. See, when you cover up some of the words, you already open up your page for more stuff, like seriously. And you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and cut my page down in the middle. Wait, turn it over. What am I doing? I ain't that good. Let me turn it over so I can see where I'm cutting. Yeah, it looks really nice. I like this spread so far. I wonder where I should put this sticker. I'm low-key thinking about putting it here, but then it's gonna cover Wednesday and that's gonna be too much. It looks weird. This is the last one I wanted to add and now I feel like I can't add it. I don't want to. So let's do some more smaller stickers. Should I do a habit sticker for the week? I'm gonna add another color. Let's try green. I don't like it there though. Yeah, I guess I could put it like, I don't want to cover her up. I mean, I could put it here. This is good too. I might put it here actually. So what I'm gonna do to add a little more zhuzh to it, I'm gonna add some ink to it to add some color to the page. The color that I'm using in the Distress Oxide is going to be tea dye, which is similar to this color, you know, so perfect match. So I'm gonna be using this one to kind of, I don't know, add some color in the blank pages. I mean, blank pages, blank spaces. I'm just kind of putting it in all the places that are like open. And I'm just tapping because I don't want to rub. Like this stuff can get really pigmented, like it can. So gotta be careful using it, but I think it's kind of cute. It adds some color. And then what I'm also thinking about doing is adding some dots. This is the Fuda no Suke by Tombow. These are great for, I've seen people use it for writing and manuscripting, but I just use it to put dots. I'm trying to get into like the calligraphy and stuff. I'm not gonna lie, it's not easy. So I've been practicing, but I am not ready to try to put stuff up yet. I don't want to get laughed at when I tell you I'm not that good. So it'll come when it comes. I think this is cute, y'all. What do you think? This is so cute. Let's cut off some of these other stickers. Oh, y'all, I forgot to hole punch this. What am I thinking? How would get it in there? Oh my gosh. Let me get my hole punch. Oh my gosh. First off, I'm holding it weird. Let's start there. Stop holding it so weird. forgot about her. She only just needs a small little hole punch, so let me do that. What the hell? Oh my gosh, okay. I'm like, what just happened? What did I do? This just fell apart and broke. I mean, it can still lock though. I guess that's okay. Oh, something else just fell out. What was that? Oh my gosh, wow. What is happening? Okay. I mean, based off how it looks, I could probably fix it. I hope I can. I mean, it looks like it still locks anyway. Who knows? That threw me off. Like, what? Okay. Well, anyways. So here's the spread. And I like it. I think it's cute. Is it my favorite? No. But I make many spreads that are not my favorite. And at the end of the day, when I make spreads, I do try to think about a little functionality. And plus, I'm not going to lie. Sometimes the mini be hard to decorate for. Because it's a great size. It's just, I don't know, the dashboard is so weird to me, but I wanted to try to use it just to see if I changed how I felt. So I'm probably gonna start going back to my open concept pages. But I did have fun putting this spread together and I think it looks really good. And Capital Chic makes some really nice stickers. So I would love for you guys to check that out. And then I also have a couple of pieces of washi tape I thought about adding. But now looking at it, I don't know if it'll match because I totally took a different direction than what I had in mind when I thought of this spread. But that's okay. So thank you guys for watching this video. I'm going to do a quick montage so you guys can see it up close. Let me know down below what you think of my spread. So this is the one I used and I got it at Michael's. Wait, that's kind of cute. Hold on. Wait a minute. Ooh. I thought I was done, but let me add one more because this is adorable. I must have missed this page. I don't know how I missed this page. I kind of want to add this. Is that weird? I'm going to add this. I know it's crossing over Monday at this point, but you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to cover this Monday with something else. That was extra, and I didn't even need to do that, but you know what? I'm doing it. I got it from this page. What a cute page. And then I kind of like this one too. Hold up. I know, now I'm just covering stuff up at this point. Let me stop. It's so fun though. I love stickers. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching Zoidies, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye. Zoidies, thanks for watching my latest video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Just a reminder that I post content on every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Sundays are my cozy gaming live streams. Tuesdays are any videos related to planning and stationery. And Thursdays are any videos related to any kind of lifestyle and self-care. So make sure you guys stay tuned for my next upcoming video and to check out any content on my channel. Thanks, guys.